I had a case recently where the client was already in the United States. She had entered on a visa and the interview wait time back home ran months out. So we filed an E-2 change of status first and did the E-2 visa application and interview later. Now that's certainly not my default. Usually I want people applying at the consulate from the start, and here's why. A change of status gets someone E-2 status. What it doesn't get them is an E-2 visa. Those are two different things, and the major difference is global mobility. With some narrow exceptions, once the change of status is approved, any trip abroad still means a consular interview if they want to come back into the United States in E-2 status. The consulate is also the one making the final decision. USCIS approving the petition doesn't bind the officer at post who looks at the case fresh. So a client can be approved here and refused there. And then there's runway. A visa issued at the consulate can run for years depending on the reciprocity schedule for that particular country, and every entry resets a 2-year admission. A change of status gives 2 years, and then you're filing with USCIS again. So when do I go the other way? I go the other way when someone is already here in valid status, the money is committed, the business is ready to run, and the wait for an interview is months out. Premium processing usually gets a final answer at about 3 weeks, so they can start operating while the post catches up. I use that as a bridge. Run the business now, get the visa on the next trip home. It only works if they're in valid status and haven't violated it. Someone who came in on the visa waiver program, like ESTA, can't change status at all, which makes the consulate the only route for them. I like this route when the timing calls for it, and I'm really glad that it worked out for my client. But please keep in mind that there is more nuance to this than a short video holds. The right answer depends entirely on the facts of the case, and none of this should be considered legal advice. Do your own research and talk to an attorney who can evaluate your specific situation.